I created a project centered around a door lock system that utilizes an RFID reader module. In this setup, a red bulb indicates the door is locked, while a yellow bulb lights up when the door is unlocked. I have two RFID cards for this reader. One card grants access to the door, while other does not. As you can see, the buzzer sounds longer when the system detects an incorrect card. When I will present the correct card, the buzzer will sound briefly. This indicates that the door is now open. Let's move inside. Here the lock has a set time of 10 seconds, after which the door will lock automatically. This is my complete setup. It features a control box that manages all the system's operations. When the ultrasonic sensor detects an object within a 20 centimeter range, the door automatically unlocks. As I brought my hand within 20 centimeter of the ultrasonic sensor, the door unlocked. After 10 seconds, it will relock automatically. The servo motor operates the lock, and alongside it are an ultrasonic sensor and a buzzer. Now let's take a look inside this control box. Inside we find a buck converter which regulates the voltage supplied to the Arduino Uno from a 12-volt adapter. These are the output connections for the RFID reader module. Finally, there is a 12-volt adapter that provides power to the Arduino.